Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I am bringing you guys another hair deep conditioner DIY that I created at home alone, which I'm just so excited about this conditioner, guys. I just decided to share with you guys how I make this DIY, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. So what I'm gonna be doing here, I'm gonna be cutting my aloe vera. As you guys can see, I have a little tiny aloe vera. This is basically the aloe vera from my pot. Yes, because I plant some of them here at home. So my son just broke some of them. I decided to just create this hair deep living conditioner with it. I am cutting them in a little pieces so that the aloe vera gel can dissolve in the oil easily. Yes, so I will be putting all these little pieces in the pan, and then I will be adding 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of olive oil into the pan, and I will just let the oil to fry a little bit for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I will be setting it aside. Yes, if you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to hit on that red subscribing button. In this channel, we do literally everything. We do a lot of workout. We do a lot of stuff like this, like hair DIY and how to grow your natural hair at home, and as well as healthy eating and drinking. And we throw fashion and lifestyle into it. So please don't forget to subscribe before you leave this video if you have not. So yes, moving on to the next stage. This is just my favorite part, guys. And here I have my big bowl. I just got this big bowl because, you know, later I'm gonna be wasting this all this oil together. So you are gonna need a big bowl for this mixture. So I got my big bowl here, and what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be putting a little bit of water into a pot so that the water will be steaming before I finish mixing all the ingredients. So this is basically what we are gonna be starting with, which is shea butter. You guys know shea butter is good. It have a lot of benefit for hair. And here I'm having my castor oil, and yes guys, I have 2 different castor oil, guys. This is basically optional for you. You don't have to use, you can use, if you use any one you have. I have a black Jamaica castor oil and as well as white castor oil, so I'm gonna be using both. Yes, but guys, use any oil of your choice. It's also fine. So the next ingredient is vitamin E. Yes, I have my vitamin E oil. It's organic. All this oil, guys, I got them from Indian shop. Thank God. I was looking crazy in Amazon for all this oil, but finally I got them in Indian shop. So the next oil is almond oil. Yes, you guys know almond oil is also very good for hair. And the last and not the least oil is onions oil. Yes, I got my red onions oil. You guys know red onion oil is very good for hair. It strengthens your hair, and as well it brings shine into your hair. So the last and not the least that I will be adding after everything is my olive oil with the aloe vera gel. Yes. So I'm gonna be adding my 2.5 spoons of shea butter into the bowl. And along with 1/2 cup of Jamaica black castor oil. Like I said, it's optional for you guys. You can use this black one or you can use the white one. And half cup of almond oil. And this is the white castor oil, half cup as well. And half cup of vitamin E oil. And half cup of onions oil. So now I'm going to be placing the bowl into a hot water. As you guys can see, the water is cooking. You have to be careful with that hot water in there. Okay, I almost burned myself. So then I will just let the oil to melt together. You can just be stirring it for like 5 to 10 minutes and let all that oil to melt together. So after 10 minutes of stirring, guys, this is basically how the oil is looking. Now everything is mixed together, and now I will be adding that aloe vera with olive oil together, and I will be adding it. Guys, I added at the end because you all know I was already frying the oil. That was the reason why I didn't add this oil for the first time. So now I will add the oil together, and then I will mix everything together. Yes, you just mix and mix. So these oils are great for hair, guys. They can help your hair to grow. You can apply this oil in your hair after you wash and moisturize or condition your hair. You can use it as a treatment, to like a leave-in condition for your hair, and it's very, 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 very good. Trust me. So what I'm gonna do next, I put the oil outside, and if it's because it's cold outside, so I just put it outside to let it thick a little bit. This is basically the consistency that you would like to have before you will start wasting and mixing the oil. This is just the funny part, guys. You have to mix and mix and mix and mix to that beautiful creamy texture that you need for your hair. Yes, I got my hair pass here. They are here helping me out. You know, something funny mommy is doing, so they are so curious to see what I am doing actually. So mixing this oil together, guys, you have to start with a low speed first. Maybe you just start with one first for number one, because this mixture I have till number 3. So I started first with number 1, and then I just mix until I get all this color, and then after it was turning a little bit white, and I step to number 2. Then I just keep wasting and wasting and wasting. Look at that beautiful color that is bringing out. Oh my God. And it smells so good. So at this point, guys, you can turn your mixture to number 3 so that you can really give it that good mix. Then it will just turn to completely white color, and your hair deep condition is ready. Yes, look at that beautiful color, guys. Did you guys just see that? Did you guys just see this beautiful color? Yes, I already started using it on my daughter's hair. It's so good. It really brings out that coiling and out that shining into her hair, and as well as my son hair. You can also use this deep condition for your skin if you want, but for me, I don't think for skin is good because of the red onions that I had on it. So for me, I just prepare it for my hair, you know, not for my skin. Yes. And then I got all my little jug here. I disinfect them with hot water so that they will be really good. And then yeah, you can just scoop them on these little bottles, and you can just store them, and you can, you know, give it to your friends. You can give it as a gift for your friends and family, neighbors. This deep condition can last you for months, guys. Okay. They can really last you for months. And yes, that basically is. Look at that color. Just look at it. Look at it, guys. I was just so like, I'm so excited. Since I make this hair deep condition, I'm just so excited and proud of myself that I can make this, because this kind of deep conditioner are so expensive here. So now that I know how to prepare them, and I can prepare all of them by myself, I don't have to spend too much money. I would just only have to spend money on the oil. But you guys see, yes, it's always good to DIY. If you have the ideas and you have the energy, you can DIY some stuff by yourself at home just to save your coins. You know what I mean? Yes, you can save your coins. This is basically it, guys. I prepare for butter, as you guys can see here. Like I said, you can share with your friends and neighbors and family. Look at it. Just look at it. If anybody wants some, just send me your address. I will send it to you. Kidding. Yes, that's it. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you know you do, please don't forget to give me a like. Subscribe for more videos. If you want me to do any kind of this video again, just let me know in the comment section. And much love to you all. In the meantime, hope to catch you in my next one. Bye.